Hello everyone, this is Jonathan with Resaleworld Technical Support, and this is a video covering the Resale Rewards dashboard. It's basically an overview video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the Resale Rewards program, and then we're going to sign in. So everybody starts out at the dashboard tab, and we have 3 charts that we're going to cover along with a totals area. So the first chart that we have is a transactions chart, and this shows all the transactions in your Liberty 5 point of sale. And all these transactions are associated with the rewards account phone number, and this allows you to basically track how often Resale Rewards customers are shopping at your store. Very handy. The next field we have is the transactions with redemptions chart. And this shows you the amount of transactions that had Resale Rewards coupons redeemed on them, and this allows you to basically track the reward coupon redemptions in your store. Over to the bottom left here, we have a new consumers chart, and this shows you the total new consumers to join your rewards program per day. It is also filterable by location if your store has multiple locations. And then over to the bottom right here, we have a totals section that shows you more detailed information on how your rewards program is doing. And of course, this is also filterable by date. So you can plug in your dates here, and this will basically filter all the transactions based on the dates. Your transaction total is basically the total dollar amount of all transactions at the store that were associated with a rewards account phone number. The rewards issued is the total number of reward coupons issued to consumers from your stores. Your rewards redeemed is the total number of rewards coupons redeemed by consumers at your stores. The returning consumers field shows you the total number of repeat rewards consumers that have been at your store. The new consumers shows you the number of new consumers that have signed up at your store. Total consumers shows you the total number of consumers that you've boarded onto your Resale Rewards program. Active consumers shows you the number of consumers that have activated their rewards accounts and have downloaded the Resale Rewards app. The redemption rate gives you the percentage of coupons that are being redeemed. This is based off of all reward coupons issued in your store. Now that we're done with the dashboard, we're going to go over to the Store Info tab here. Here's where we can see all the store information for all of our locations. Now, some stores will actually see only one location in this area. When you click on any location, you will see the summary information you saw on the dashboard, but it'll be specifically for that location, rather than all locations. So everything that we saw on the previous screen for our summary information also applies to this area. Once we selected a store by clicking on it, we can then edit our store information by clicking on the fields corresponding to store name, phone number, email address, city, state, and zip. We can add our hours by clicking the add button. So for our day, we can type in, say our day starts on Monday. We'll type in Monday here, and then we'll say our hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So that adds the first slot, and we can just keep adding different hour ranges here, and that'll actually appear in our app. We can add our different social media options that we have. So if we click add, you'll notice that you have different things like eBay, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. You could just click on whichever one you want, like say Facebook, and then add the URL to your actual page, and that'll appear in this list. Finally, we'll also see our logo, where we can change what the logo is for this site. So once this is all affected, we can hit the save button, and then that's actually changed for us. Other things that we can do on this screen is we can add our users. If we click the users button over here, we can click the add button, and we can make sure that we enter in the email address of people that are managing your dashboard. So in this case, we type in our email address, we tell it whether this account is active, and also if they have administrative capability. So I'll hit cancel on here, and click OK. Next we click on billing. And on this screen, we can see pretty much everything we're being charged for based on coupon usage. We can click on any of the individual invoices to see more information by clicking on View Invoice. And this will show us every coupon that was used along with the dollar amount that we were charged for. I'll go ahead and click Close on this. Moving on to the next screen, we go over to the rewards plan. And this is where we can kind of tell the software what do we want to see happen with our rewards plan. So you have 2 different plan kinds at the very top. You have earn points for spending, and this is based on the dollar amount, whereas earn points for visiting is basically giving points for every time there's a transaction in your store. So it's a lot like a punch card system. So our plan name is obviously what we want to call this. So I have this one just called Resale Rewards. The description is what the consumers will see in the app. Program terms goes over the terms and conditions for your rewards plan. These will display in your rewards program details. Keep in mind that this information is purely cosmetic and will not actually enforce what is seen in the point of sale. Coupon text allows you to edit the text that will show in the main part of your digital resale rewards coupons. Coupon terms is exactly like program terms, except it's coupon based. The amount is the dollar amount that the resale rewards coupons will discount off a transaction. The minimum purchase is the minimum amount of a transaction you need to qualify to use a rewards coupon. The per sale limit is the amount of rewards coupons that can be redeemed per transaction. The expire days is the amount of time in days a rewards coupon will stay active. At the end of this time frame, it will expire and disappear from the app. Your reward at amount here is the amount of points it takes to earn a reward coupon for your rewards plan. Once a consumer has reached the threshold, they will have a rewards coupon generated in their account. The earn rate is the rate at which points are earned. This number is treated differently depending on the plan kind, as detailed in the beginning of this section. Earn points on redeemed coupons. This allows your consumers to earn points on the total transaction amount before rewards are applied, rather than on the amount after rewards are applied. This is by default off and is really only applicable to the earn points for spending plan kind, which is at the very top here. When you click on either background color or font color, you're taken to a very basic color picker. If we click the edit symbol next to the points message, we can use merge fields to basically automatically input information that pertains to the consumer. So we can type out our message. In this case, it will automatically fill in the number of points earned within the brackets here. So if this consumer earned a point, it will simply input 1 point into this field here. And they'll actually see that in a push notification. I'm going to click OK on that. The rewards message lets you set the message that is sent via push notification to the mobile app whenever a consumer obtains a reward coupon. So if we click on this edit button over to the right, same thing applies here where we can use our merge fields to input very specific information that is coming from the consumer. And this is actually what they'll receive in their push notification. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. And then we're done with this area. Moving on to the Consumers tab. Here we can look up individual consumers that are at each location. And then we can type in the phone number that we want to use to look up. For the purposes of this video, I will be blurring out the number just to give you an example of what these fields will look like. So let me go ahead and type it in. And here's what this screen will look like. What you'll see is the phone number of the consumer, the name of the consumer, the postal code where the consumer is at, when they were boarded, the initial password. This initial password is very important as it will be what the consumer uses to log into their application for the first time. And that's on iPhone and Android. Your points total is the total amount of points that they've earned. The coupon count is how many coupons they currently have. Coupons redeemed are how many coupons they've redeemed in the past. Transaction count is how many transactions they've actually done through Resale Rewards. And then their transaction total is the total amount of money that they've spent at your store. From here you can adjust the points, you can review their points, you can send a message, and you can also send a coupon. Very powerful features available to you. Over to the right we can actually see the available coupons that are here for the customer to use. And then our recent transactions shows us exactly what the customer has spent at your store based on the receipts. Moving on to the coupon types. Here we can see all the past coupons that were created. We can search at the very top if we have a lot of coupons. Once you click on a coupon, you can pretty much see everything that was typed into the right of your text fields here. I will be going over more specific details on how to link coupons to promotions and how to create coupons in a separate video. Moving on to our promotions tab. Here we can see all the promotions that were created in the past. Starting from the left here, the description is basically the promotion description that was set when creating the promotion. The created column shows when the promotion was actually created. Your duration is the duration of the promotion if it was specified. Sent on is when the promotion was sent out to its target consumers. This will be blank if it's still pending being sent. Number sent is the total number of consumers the promotion was sent out to. Number reached is the number of consumers that opened the promotion in their messages area of their Resale Rewards mobile app. Number activated is the number of consumers that activated an attached coupon in the promotion, if any, in the Resale Rewards mobile app. Number redeemed is the number of consumers that redeemed an attached coupon in the promotion. I will be going over how to create promotions and how they will link specifically to coupon types in another video. This was a video covering the Resale Rewards dashboard as an overview.